Watch this if you want to understand how HIV enters the body and multiply. The infection of the host or human cell by HIV is explained in what is known as the HIV life cycle. There are 7 stages in HIV life cycle. These are binding or attachment, fusion, reverse transcription, integration, replication, assembly, and budding. When HIV enters the human body, it finds the cell with CD4 receptors and attaches itself to these CD4 receptors. With the help of the GP120 that is located on the HIV envelope, these then fuse or join together to allow HIV to enter the CD4 cell. Once this happens, the HIV then releases its genetic material known as the single-stranded RNA, as well as HIV enzymes, into the human cell. Then HIV will use one of its enzymes known as the reverse transcriptase to convert the RNA into DNA in a process known as reverse transcription. This will enable the HIV to enter into the human cell nucleus, where it combines with the CD4 cell DNA in a process called integration with the help of another HIV enzymes known as the integrase. Once this happens, HIV then uses CD4 cell to make long-chain proteins that are building blocks of more HIV. This is a process known as replication. Then the new HIV proteins and RNA move to the surface of the CD4 cell, where they assemble into immature HIV that is not infectious yet. This is known as the assembly. The final stage is the budding process, where the immature HIV breaks out of the CD4 cell. Then another HIV enzyme known as the protease cleaves or cuts the long protein chain in the immature HIV into mature HIV, which are now ready to infect other healthy cells in the human body. This process will continue over and over if the person who is infected does not get on treatment as soon as possible. This is the reason why anybody who is infected with HIV needs to get on treatment immediately. Make sure you follow me so you can see my next video on how HIV medicine work on these stages of HIV life cycle. Thank you.